as a special prosecutor e de emra owura Martina Midu o kan say adwuma no ontimi entu aso bi mu no ono e na che say obaye na sese no ono so edinani edi asi agegefo no so pa enso e wo ho no e na ye bisa say ene no evidence e no mu edi ya adwuma ana say nokre emu ensem etisen empanifo no e wo haide ebebo edi awura mo aka kira fe ya mo akwa na omu awura asem no mu edi amayen esan say ene no eye da che say eye hot today edi mayen na yetiri eye say ene so yanya law students enso e wo hanom a eba no eye mra queen na ye di ya adwuma e wo eye oman Ghana hanom so no ono so eguso a osua bie
me na me da say mensa me church bio because for a start abusuan for the moment I come rasa no yeah subjective kakra obi adwene say se menya asem na me court me ne minu ya nya asem ne court yem fa say me na me no call madwin nyina ne say esan say me na me no call ye nti enka e wo say me dipem na onu di for because me na me no call but sometimes I don't call na me am de no call no makodi for me di for pay then the first thing I ever can say yeah just no problem discard because na madwin me say me de call no I had facts inti I don't know man can man but it's unfortunate and yes I'm number 6 that call okay mama started from here say ya kokota no kura no wo ho e na mra so e wo ho inti necessary to say the lawyer kisi ajabe e kan no kura no wo ho na so say o kan no kura no wantumi amfa evidence am back no kura na you fail
okay
you be fail me person me cite example bi Major Mahama Yakum no there were videos na it is so clear you must say make kwade dia ka ho mato boabo o ka ho de boabo where you say nti all these things were very clear nti kade bi na was say kwa say safo no ye be sentence o mo so to death because in Ghana no hukum obi a the ultimate punishment is death nti was say ka also ye sentence to death okay yati say ya sentence obi to death
no
yati say you be go prison
so mo guso koba
and look at the time but one thing I am not a prophet of doom, but I'm saying that they will acquit all of them because of the fact that we call something evidence. Evidence in the say evidence in the say many way nyasem. Ena ye court. Enti no dia na kire say asema ye nya no eye no kure say sa de na si ampa. My person me sack example. Yaba aha say menu appear the mobile phone atwa. Enti mahwa mo say I say obi ahwehwe han mana me the mobile phone no ko nyam ko na mti da mu ha ya doso now appear by or say mobile phone no me na mfai now the burden of proof no ana there you can burden of proof I say there na wo de be kire say asem a wo ka no eye no kire say nipa we na eye den eye ye kokota there are two cases we talk about well criminal case and your civil case in the case of criminal case, the burden of proof is beyond reasonable doubt. Beyond reasonable doubt, and they say, appear as if phone with me and fire. And was so what much needs some say, Opia, as some see you know only have po, or tea up can say, you want the fire. Because already there, you makaya, any the appear can appear there no a demutro do, just obey and go out, jet in your crabia. That means appear to me prove beyond reasonable doubt. Enti ye can reasonable doubt so one back why this person checking say you bit me abusa nipa bi a onam ba bia say se bibi say yes ya ofo say kwa be na be fa so for example say that make phone ya so we ba bia phone yi dai any bra ya ogina go me ben phone yi pa e che papa yi ba mi so pie ko ya no e na phone ni ya hu bio mi be pie papa ba bia no ogina ho a no ogina me so ha na me te me ben phone no enti possibly we be hu say me the likelihood that me na me to me have a phone is very high because me ben phone more than this man. Okay. And he say appear to me no to me all these facts supported with some evidence say me kra na do ba bi me fa phone no kuta he e ma me kra e bia ma ka cha na say appear phone no kra e me fo all these things e dey come one then appear has evidence. Vamos a. E wo mo say wo hu me say me fa phone no but he has evidence. Nti what the evidence no ko what me prove beyond reasonable doubt. Enti court na je to say. Esan say the okan ni obi akratopo so we na adwuma na fire. Wona fire enti truly me na fire. Na you say ya jama me say me na fire na say punishment you why ya dey amami. The contrary is that another other side of it and say apia koye no o say phone no me dey to ne nchen ho me koye na enu ho the mere fact say me dey ato ne nchen ho a ade na ayira ne dey on the fire. Apia asma wodim ko kan no ho nyina nie. Okasa
that means na sem na can in hold water.
It doesn't hold any water. Me pekra asasem we nkonti metumi aka say me kra me nkasa court ho. Apia ono anasem o kan no. Ye nyina so ye mfamua asem. Because the fact that me tia na nche say me nkwana metumi afa obi gina kira otum ba. Aha me tell yen ka say me nkwana metumi atena ha. Any other person who come here. It is a be a member of choir no be fire. How would you know? Enti one back it when some with evidences are this can no hold. Now when you go to our laws now, the Evidence Act 1975 NRCD 323, there are a lot of sections. In fact, when we are talking about law nanka, because Okesa Act we now there are a lot of sections are economic kakra. Wasn't Karibia you kum kakra near Tinomase. But when I am before said yeah they educate you more small. Now Kisia Japan can some way on the grounds that oba ye no ebi mo say papa no kra no wontima nya adwuma no e na oba de de kra no onye hwe e na manfo di complaints be bra koto no ka say no abusia for when we go to court we don't just rush and enter court because when you rush and enter they will also rush and give you judgment because why I was so who say me kuta concrete evidences obetumi e de akọ defend asema woka no enti enye say bia me to me enko cancel no asem no obetumi wo say asem no kre no ni pa but me kon evidence be in the kutami dey na tato say me ko no makwa ka say papa yi abokoro no wa abokoro no dey na midina so midina A B C eso e na me ka say wa dey wa abokoro no and wa ka say when you go to court it is not absolute say no kre ni yakoka wo there are instances that ebia okokota obetumi kan asem bi okan ya na court na ka say because of waiting no dey trust on cancel ni ebi so for example makobokoro no na say ye court here say any person yes wabokoro no against the Criminal Offences Act maybe act this would you file now would you na say me on my plea because me differ chrono
okay
there and then court will be trust us because my jail to instantly say because me need for ho and a bed na beba say any wa say mabokoro no the burden now will lie on you. Intimate to say evidence no enye prebia na obia na also provide evidence. Say me na
but say asem ani eda ho mutimi gina no so e bia asem no.
Good. What say enti America say asem no ani eda ho any saying. Asem no enti ani eda ho no that will be the truth. No correct again no correct say the thing. But in the court no you don't just go and say the truth and go. You have to add something evidence of evidential value.
Enti ti say na wo chem say phone yi me na mafa. Good. There the chair say phone me na mafa.
Exactly.
I was so you be e dey bata ho.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's the point. Enti say me na maka say wo no offer phone. The burden of proof and for that matter the evidence to show say wo no offer phone and you no was all the back. Okay. Me and I was say me the back. The court system in Ghana adversarial me the problem aba no. Okay. Me there was say me kire say wo and abokro no mamba. So what it simply means is that evidence here ye dey be you know me claim say obi afa ma de no the burden is on me to adduce evidence. Okay. To say me evidence in here, me evidence in here. Okay. Na a kire say no correct we in the fire and I say we in the fire. In the whole no me for say ebia akwanya for person. Akwanya for beba. Kisia da be the organ. In fact that is the truth. And yes say what they want no cancel obi abokro no na okọ ya straight judge say wa so abokro no and no ano no fa no. No. You have to adduce evidence to support it. When to me anya it can two things a criminal case you have to prove it beyond doubt. Every evidence at the baby must be beyond doubt. Say a civil case then it will be on preponderance of probability. Okay. Say asam na ye kan why there na I say a ben no kura no pa say in fact we there na o kan no a dempa that is a civil case. Okay. But a criminal there a beyond reasonable doubt.
Mama na say okay 10 minutes
na ba ano ba dia em say mo topic very very technical.
Yeah.
Nti ohe minua domo ne pro is in law.
Yeah.
Ama why a very good submission. I was say me bona baso.
Yeah.
Me limited knowledge in law. Me ni bimpo. Nti no kakra me meka na say nokre Ghana ha. Nipa omo kire omo pa e wo Ghana ha. Eni ahiafo. Ahiafo ho kire omo ohiani a sikani ana obi a all position of trust, position of influence adinamu asisi no a e wosenka okokota yedimu no kure frenchem ema no na ne ho tono no esanse sa nipa no oniska a ode be high lawyer a lawyer no onenim de a obeka bia ma no sa nipa no esanse ka oninti okokota ne ebuotia no nti mo topic ya abai ehia 43 na ne e woso mutie nke ebe me de se radio station bi te se Time FM a ene modi legal issues abai na nka modi aka mo programs ho sebe ya amanfo benya free legal consultation.
Okay.
Nsema nka osuani a osua mrei a o kirechire mu nka obi a outside na no so atibi ejana pocket lawyer se bibi to na wo nkwan a obefa so aka masem ebi se ne okay mia
sem anida ho
kan so sebe ya wo be ka wonsem kama amamu ada ho na jeja na obi a otie bia atimi age wonsem atum no eya na edene gise nka wonya lawyer ni a wonim de sebe ya wo de no kogira court a waka wonsem nyina ukuro nkasam akire lawyer nti okoduru court ho a onnenim kwan a obefa so afa legal terms im ama wakire wonsem mu ama court kora di atum se ebia krono na ye de ato so no enye wa ana ebia ade no uwia ya mpa eye two ways me a me de wakono ebia minim mra wawia me ampa pa minim se ade no 1 or 5 nso sanse wo sika na utimi han lawyer na no dene no onim momanti no obeka wasem na kama abiaro ahye wata defita o court se ade na enyaw na fae ne ebuka ama me ne mapia ana ebia ade na so mia enye me na mwia ye esanse miniskanti ye de atome so se mia na mawia me kokota mi ni lawyer obeka bia ma me nti se me de ewom se me de anim sikani no asa fa lawyer onim de akoka agume so ya ma me nka bimpo ya sikom remind 3 weeks ye wie ya sentence me mfie se kodam na makwa kodam nti ne ya me kan se ye justice system in Ghana no e ye poor
ndi so uzuru se wono amuka se Ghana ye mra kwini na ewo ha no efeva sika fo nko ana ahiafo enka ho wono mo ya agene
many omo ya agene to some extent.
Okay.
Many omo ya agene pa if you say oko advanced jurisdiction bia uye hiani o uye sikani o asemnya to wa there are state attorneys ubenya free legal representation eye abai ene betua.
Okay.
And you know asemna ya dia to so no it can travel to any length ebema obi agi atum se charge ya dia bo no ampa ade no wi aye anani pa no ukum no na wo ankasa so wagi atum se charge ya dia bo no enokre se charge ya dia bo no enokre na se enkoba se me de miniska mintimi fa lawyer nti advanced countries babia okwa asem to wa wo lawyer on the be gina court aka wonsem nyina ma ebi se modi topic itu we anopa mbeduru ha me hwe evidence act no se ne na yewura tomo no wo ka ho o hwe no ma ewo mu a se onye lawyer enya dia sa no ma nyina kura ukoduru court obegu bi o ha o se questions of law questions of law no ebia wo se mbisa o mra ejina mmaraso se kwase ya mabisa we ejina mmaraso utimi ansa ebia bema mmadifo ana wagimi ansa ebema mmadibem me as layman amitiye questions of law minim
adekode
questions of fact and also evidence act no and say me so minim lawyer for nenim me brobro sa mo man se be ya or say preliminary of facts
okay
preliminary facts and also minima de crop preliminary facts in issue and also minim ka evidence act no ho erroneous admission or exclusion of evidence ni nyina ka ho minima de crop objections to evidence wo ni nyina ka evidence act ndi se we nyina unyi lawyer sa no ma nyina wasua ni wo hu na okogina amount in court na waka wasem sebe ya wonsem udi bem na sebe ya udi evidence ene mmara ebe ka ho pepepe ama nokora na wonim se udi enu wom na wasanya nipa obeka wasem pepepe ama wo no e wose unya lawyer na Ghana ha
ohwe na anu mpokura abaya ya omoso wase wofo afura be mo se nokora okokot na woni lawyer yi obi na yi ne ho esi ho egina mu
ema
se ma mo no be o
wahu enti Ghana no ye legal system no in fact wonchi kakra wom na efeva asikafo nko a ene omo obi omo influence societal influence omo ena ye mera no sometimes etimi di bo omo because obi hiani a se obenya lawyer kra no lawyer jumo incoming lawyer on the one so obenya no kra na waka wasama kire no say no edene ntini ya meme kan say Ghana judges lawyer for judge for obi a owo court bia obeka na sem no omoma no kra nya aduma omoma no kra enya aduma na omunya mra no evidence no if you say enye obia ene metimi aba court no onye sika afa lawyer enti so onye sika afa lawyer unim say
somewhere the
crowd onhu ka yebebu atu atia no amana difo
but aka minim de wo ko fa lawyer asem no wana asem no case no esiye wo na obetim achi mu ayede asen ne wo chire man say no achire no enso still this I say this onya lawyer
unim say Ghana ha kra yo mra wo ha say wo mu kra no ubetimi aka wasem amana ye de kra na ukoduru high court ayema wo mu nkasa
this onya
lawyer because obe kasa through legal representative one na nipa say e de betimi anya lawyers enti ana mre bi mpanifo de bae say ti sadia a lawyer for no yemiem na mrantia omwo interest o mbesua law dodo na ntimi nko na yemwo omo school fees ene sa na oma no akade a ebema omo aye sa law no na sebe ya legal aid no emeye so expensive in Ghana no yemiem na obi antimi nko bi mra
right
ye kan ya na no omko ye nipa bebre feli wono abronye di sikura ye feli no enti no ayare hosem yemiem na nipa bebre antimi hia law na omunim die in law no enye bebre
okay
na omfa mra down yan employ binom NCC omuna ye mandatory for say educating the citizenry no mon chere there are certain basic principles I was a citizen be an own asanse ye nimunti police ni kura chewa ense so obo wani so no abo ense ye ju tum ma de ache ye de wotum na de ache nse bebre ene koso
ye ko ma obeli kura anka ye say ye free
so ya ju ska nti ye besre ahiafo ye bre e wo Ghana enti ogohwe the people's manifesto no mu a legal legal side no President Mahama edit udwa pete sanya me ya na dom ena nka 2020 abatu owene ya nka legal education no nka obetirem
ama obi
nka say lawyer domo okoi ni school fees enye se binom na sponsor na etia na nkakra nka bia wasamba betrafie enti Mahama say secretary man no 2024 say obesan ba Ghana for man akwanya osi oba obebiem lawyer demo fees obetua bi say be ya lawyer for bebre beba sansensem nyina o mbekirem wo ha unim right unim responsibility obi tietia ofa hundie so unim ene ye uni lawyer pra na ko gina court wo obetumi aka wasem ama wa no kra tene na eno kra nima okuta sika kakra bia obetumi afa lawyer ni bi wo akọ kire wo nsem kama sai be ya udi fa obentimi nkobi enkobi u say wadi for enti kakra me so me ka fa ho eno no
Honorable.
Yes, I was.